Knitted weighted blanket £15 queen size 60 by 80 inch, SAMIAH chunky knit weighted blanket handmade for relax, calming or home decor, weighted blanket no beads snuggle for adults, grey. Velvet knitted weighted blanket, handmade chunky knit weighted faux for sleep, stress or home decor, rest and relax in style handmade weighted blankets. The originally weighted blanket offers a natural way to help calm your body for a restful night of sleep. Great calming sensory blanket for adults and children to help decompress and provide comforting. Knitted weighted blanket is an updated, chunky knit blanket by SAMIAH LUXE 50 by 60 Graphite, dark grey luxury chenille blanket for farmhouse decor, boho decor throw blanket for fall decor, tight cable knit throw blanket for couch or bed. The chunkier chunky blanket, with a tighter weave, large size, and 23% greater yarn density, SAMIAH LUXE chenille throw blankets keep you more snuggled so you can sink more deeply into relaxation than perhaps ever before. Imagine it now, and how wonderful that feels at the end of a hard, busy day. The SAMIAH knitted weighted blanket features chunky yarn and dense knit to offer weight for calming and decompressing purposes, perfect for snuggling on the couch and bed. This weighted blanket is evenly knitted so the weight is absolutely uniform, creating the most cuddly sensation to promote deeper sleep.